this video and subscribe in the next 5 seconds or
balls will fall off.
Fuck it, I'ma vote, I'ma vote. Fuck it, I'ma vote.
What's going on, Motor Nation? It's your boy Motor Q here, bringing you all a how to raise your kill / death ratio. So let's get right into it, gang. Alright, y'all, I ain't finna waste y'all time. We finna get right into it. I ain't finna be like none of no other YouTubers where they sit there do all that extra talking. We just finna get straight to it. So basically what y'all wanna do, y'all wanna go on Team Deathmatch. And you wanna go to your map and do Crossfire. I'm telling you, you gotta do Crossfire. And this jump will really work. So basically what you all need to do, y'all need to learn how to snipe, because this will help everybody out. Because you at the point where you gotta learn how to snipe, you gotta be from a distance, and this how you can get your kill death ratio up, by like sniping from a distance. You can hard scope or you can quick scope. It's based off what you want to do. But what I did a hard scope, and at first my KD was a 1.68. Now it's at a 3.23 just from doing this method. And I'm finna show a few other screenshots of my kills and my deaths, but I'm telling y'all, it's just going crazy. And I'm just finna show a few of them while the gameplay still going. But look, as y'all can tell, I'm talking about straight kills. You see less deaths on this shit, just straight kills. That'll be going crazy, cuz. Hold on, let me show y'all real quick. Let me start talking. So as y'all can see from right here, if you look at the top left, you'll see Team Deathmatch Crossfire on every one of them. You see that the kills is outrageous, plus the deaths is so low, bro. I'm telling you, this actually work. I even put my homeboy onto it. I'm like, his stuff going up too. I'm telling you, his kill / death ratio was low. It was a 1.23. Now it's at a 2.23 now. I'm talking about that junk going crazy. But I'm gonna just let this gameplay finish out. Y'all see me just going crazy with the sniper. Hey, and then we just finna turn up from there. Hey, I hope y'all have a blessed one. Y'all stay safe. Hey, let's get it popping now.
Hunter killer drone deployed.
Stepping in the air, I blow the whisk, 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 blow the whisk.